Ever heard of Beam? This privacy-focused cryptocurrency has been making waves, but can you actually use your Bitcoin in a Beam wallet? That's the burning question we're tackling today. We'll dive deep into the intricacies of Beam, Bitcoin, and whether these two digital currencies can coexist within the same wallet. Now, let's get straight to the point. No, Beam wallets do not directly accept Bitcoin. Beam is a separate blockchain with its own unique cryptocurrency. It's designed to prioritize user privacy through features like confidential transactions. Think of it like this: Bitcoin and Beam are like two different types of cars. They both get you from point A to point B, transferring value, but they have distinct engines, designs, and operating systems. You can't simply put gasoline meant for one car into the other and expect it to run. Bitcoin, as you know, is the OG cryptocurrency, renowned for its decentralization and security. However, every Bitcoin transaction is publicly recorded on the blockchain, leaving a trail of your activity. Beam, on the other hand, employs advanced cryptographic techniques to shield transaction amounts and sender/receiver identities. This privacy focus is Beam's unique selling proposition. It aims to empower users to have more control over their financial data. While you can't directly deposit Bitcoin into a Beam wallet, there are a few ways to bridge the gap. Exchanges. Many cryptocurrency exchanges support both Bitcoin and Beam. You can buy Bitcoin on the exchange, then sell it for Beam. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs offer peer-to-peer trading, enabling you to swap Bitcoin for Beam directly. Atomic swaps. Some advanced protocols allow for direct, peer-to-peer swaps between different cryptocurrencies without the need for intermediaries. However, this might be more technical for the average user. Now, let's talk more about what makes Beam special. Beyond privacy, Beam boasts fast transactions. Beam's blockchain is designed for swift and efficient transactions, making it suitable for everyday use. Low transaction fees. Compared to some other cryptocurrencies, Beam's transaction fees are generally quite low. Strong community. Beam has a dedicated and growing community of developers and enthusiasts. So, there you have it. Beam wallets don't directly accept Bitcoin. However, by utilizing exchanges, DEXs, or potentially atomic swaps, you can effectively convert your Bitcoin into Beam. If privacy is a top concern for you, Beam might be worth exploring further. Do your own research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.